Hello and welcome back. Today's recipe is a very interesting one, pumpkin flower fritters. Here we're going to see the preparation for both plain pumpkin flower fritters and stuffed pumpkin flower fritters. Here are the ingredients. And this is the method of preparation. Let's get started. These pumpkin flowers are from the yellow pumpkin or squash plant. Both male and female pumpkin flowers are found in the same plant. Only the male flowers have been used for this preparation, as the female flowers are fruit-bearing. For the preparation, take 1 cup of raw rice. Any variety of raw rice would do. This rice here is Siddha Sanna rice and is grown by farmers in Karnataka. Wash the rice once or twice in water. Once washed, add water and soak for 2 to 3 hours. Take the pumpkin flower. Cut the stem. The male flower appears on a slender stem that ranges from a few inches up to 1 foot long. Remove the sepals and the stigma from inside. Repeat this process for all the flowers. Pumpkin flowers are not only edible but also have lots of health benefits. They are a rich source of vitamins A, C, and B9. They enhance immunity, help in improving vision, and maintaining bone health. They are also used to treat infertility in men. For the preparation, take around 10 to 12 red chillies. Remove the stem, add it to the mixer jar. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of salt. Grind until it becomes a medium fine powder. Strain the water from the soaked rice. Add the soaked rice to the mixer jar. The strained water can be used to grind the rice chilli mixture. Check in between. Add more water if required and grind it to a medium fine paste. The batter should be of medium consistency. Transfer the batter to a bowl. Our batter is now ready. To prepare the stuffing, take 2 sweet potatoes, chop the ends, peel the skin, and cut them into medium-sized cubes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, thus promoting gut health. Also rich in vitamins, minerals, and beta-carotene. Heat the steamer. Once the water starts boiling, place the chopped sweet potatoes and steam until it becomes soft. Once done, remove and allow it to cool. For the stuffing, here we have the tender shoots of the pumpkin plant. Remove the leaves and the tender part of the stem and chop them fine. Pumpkin leaves have an abundance of vitamins A, C, B vitamins and K. They are rich in calcium, iron and high on dietary fibers. Add them to a bowl. Take 2 to 3 green chilies. Chop them fine. Take 50 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. Crumble it. Add the sweet potatoes. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Mash thoroughly. Mix everything well. Make round balls of the mixture. This will be the stuffing. Now for the coriander chutney. Take half a bunch of fresh coriander leaves. Chop the ends of the coriander leaves. Wash thoroughly in water. Allow the water to drain. Chop the leaves fine. To a mixer jar, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, and salt as per taste. Add the chopped coriander leaves and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Blend in the mixer jar. Add water if required and grind to a smooth paste. Transfer to a bowl. To make the fritters, wash the pumpkin flowers. Set aside. We will use the fully bloomed flowers to make the plain fritters, and the partially closed flowers are ideal for stuffing. Open the pumpkin flower, fill it with the stuffing, fold the petals and close. Place them upside down so that the petals do not open up again. The water from washing the rice, coriander leaves and pumpkin flowers can be used to water the plants. Switch on the frying pan. Once the oil becomes hot, dip the stuffed pumpkin flowers in the batter. Make sure that it is well coated with the batter and deep fry. I am using a slightly thicker batter for the stuffed pumpkin fritters to ensure that the stuffing does not come out. Turn it around so that it is evenly cooked all over. Remove from oil when done. Now for the pumpkin flower fritters without the stuffing. Dilute the batter slightly. Dip the flowers in the batter. Make sure it is coated evenly. And fry in oil. Remove when done. Now our pumpkin flower fritters, both plain and stuffed, are ready. Serve these crispy fritters with green chutney or any accompaniment of your choice. Did you like this crunchy, crispy snack? Do drop a comment below. We'll meet you on Friday with another interesting recipe. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.